His approach is what I've been looking for all my life, and it's a whole body approach, and it's such a level of care that we just don't get. It's so personalized, and immediately after he started treating me, the fatigue was gone within like 2 days. His treatment is customized for each patient. You will not go to a doctor anywhere and get this level of care. You're going to get the treatment that's fitted for you. You're not going to go in and get a cookie cutter, well, you've just got to take this drug because now you have high blood pressure or now you have high cholesterol. It's not like that, and if you want to be well and have a good quality of health and life, this is what you need to do to be well and whole. He's fantastic. He's my miracle man, so I would definitely recommend Dr. Tony Salamay.